Hello all, welcome to this online lecture, online video in writing skills. I am Madhavi Latha, Assistant Professor of English at NNRG Education Society's group of institutions. This is our fourth video. Up to now we have done videos on the Raman effect, on writing skills, regarding phrases, clauses, sentences, dependent and independent clauses, simple, complex and compound sentences. So this is our fourth video on writing skills. Today we are going to discuss if clauses, that is conditional sentences. So a conditional sentence is a sentence which does have two clauses. One is if clause and the other one is a main clause. Okay, so what is the use of if clause first of all? Suppose if you people wanted to express something that has not actually happened or that might happen in the future, we use if clauses. That is, we are expressing a situation which is likely to take place in the future or would have taken place already in the past. So a condition, we are applying a condition to the given situation. So when we talk about a situation with a condition, we can express that situation in through three types, that is type 1, type 2 and type 3. Okay, so let's know the rules of first of all know the situations and then the rules. Suppose the first type, what does it say? If at all you people wanted to express a situation which is likely to take place in the future, then we can use this type 1. Okay, what is this type 1 actually? This is a conditional sentence. For example, let's see, if it rains I will carry an umbrella. This is a sentence first of all. Okay, a sentence with two clauses. If it rains is one clause, that is if clause. I will carry an umbrella is another clause, that is main clause. So what is the condition here? If it rains, that is it may take place in the future. Okay, then if clause is used can you see rains is in present tense, V1 form. Okay, if it rains, then how will be your main clause, your consequent clause? I will carry an umbrella. That is, I is a subject, will plus verb. So if clause is in present tense, your main clause should have the structure subject plus will plus V1 form. And when will you use this if clause in a present tense? When you wanted to talk about a future event, which is likely to take place. Even you are predicting something which is likely to take place. So that is type 1. Okay. Now coming to type 2. Type 2, when are you going to apply the situation? When you wanted to talk about a hypothetical situation, that is an imaginary situation, which is not likely to take place. Then you can go for type 2. In this type 2, how will be your main clause, if clause, and how is your main clause? So let's see, for example, if they studied properly, this is if clause, they could perform well. This is main clause. So how is the verb in if clause? Studied, it's V2 form. So if clause is in past tense, here if clause was in present tense. Here if clause is in past tense. And how is the main clause? Subject plus could or would. Subject plus could or would plus verb form. That is V1 form. So if clause is in past tense, when are you going to use this if clause in past tense? When you wanted to talk about a hypothetical situation. So if they studied properly, they could perform well. They plus could plus V1. This is type 2. Now coming to type 3. Type 3, when are you going to use type 3? Type 3 is used when you wanted to talk about a situation, a situation which was possible in the past. But in present, it's very impossible. It's impossible. So at that time, if you wanted to apply this condition, in a situation, then you can go for type 3. For example, if I had applied to this college, I could have gotten the seat. If I had applied, here, if clause is in past perfect form. Had plus V3. Had plus V3. When are you going to use if clause in past perfect form? When you wanted to talk about a situation which was possible in the past, but it's not possible in the present. If plus, this is a if clause is in past, what is this? Participle form. And then I could have got the seat. How is the main clause here? I, subject plus would or could plus have plus V3 form. Okay, I could have gotten the seat. You can just write gotten here. Okay, if I had. So if clause is in past perfect form. If I had applied to this college, I could have gotten the seat. So please kindly note the difference. So if clause, past perfect tense. How is the main clause? Subject plus would plus have plus V3 form. Subject plus would plus have plus V3 form. Now let's write this sentence in 3 types. This first sentence. If it rains, I will carry an umbrella. So if it rains, present situation we are talking about, which is likely to take place. Suppose I wanted to write this what is it, in the second type. Okay, how am I going to write? If it rained, I would carry an umbrella. Okay, coming to type 3, how is it? How are the changes? If it had rained, that is past participle form. Okay, I would have carried an umbrella. I plus would plus have plus V3 form. Carried an umbrella. So let's go for the second sentence also. If I pass the exams, I will go on a holiday. Okay, this is type 1. Now type 2, if I passed the exams, I instead of will would go on a holiday. Okay, now coming to type 3, if I had passed the exams, I would have gone on a holiday. So there ends your 3 types. I hope you people understood this online sessions. If classes, try to practice it more. If you practice it more, then you can get rid of tensions. Thank you all. See you in the next session. Thank you once again.